and we are a traditional Polynesian dance group from right here in Indianapolis, and we're here to warm things up. I know you guys are cold today, so let's pretend in our head that we are in the Hawaiian Islands, and we're going to do a short show for you, a couple of numbers, and the first number that we're going to do is going to be done by our littlest members of Indie Hula called the Keiki. This first song that they're going to do is called Kaimanahila, and it talks about a famous landmark on the island of Oahu, where I'm from, called Diamond Head. So any postcard that shows Waikiki or picture will show this landmark called Diamond Head. We don't call it Diamond Head, we call it Leahi, but in this version of the song, Kaimanahila means Diamond Head. So welcome our Keiki out to do for you Kaimanahila.